What's up, guys? Today we're going to read the story of Leaf Man, a man made of leaves. So you can find him out in nature. And it's kind of a collage of all different kinds of leaves. You might even have some of these leaves in your yard. Here we go. Leaf Man used to live near me in a pile of leaves. Little acorns make his eyes. But yesterday the wind blew Leaf Man away. He left no travel plans either. The last time I saw him, he was headed east past the chickens. Look, the artist used leaves to make little chickens. See the beak, the little crown, the little gobbler, the wings, and the little chicken feet. Toward the marsh over the ducks and geese, a leaf man's gotta go where the wind blows. And new kinds of birds made out of leaves. He blew over the fields of pumpkins and winter squash. The artist cut the leaves to be circles and ovals and gourd-shaped. Flew over the turkey, past potatoes, carrots, cabbages, and rows. There's the gobbler. And then the leaves were cut to look like the shapes of vegetables, too. Then he blew out of sight. Is he drifting west above the orchards? Like pear and apple trees? Or over the prairie meadows? A little bunny in the field. Past the spotted cows? Well, a leaf man's gotta go where the wind blows. I like how this leaf is like the udder of the cow. Maybe Leaf Man's gliding on a lake breeze. A tortuga, a turtle. Or flying along the river. Following butterflies going south. Well, a leaf man's gotta go where the wind blows. Little butterflies. He might be traveling north above the leaves that look like him. Or flying over mountains with a flock of birds. When Leaf Man looks down on earth, is he lonesome for a home? This I do know, where a leaf man will land, only the wind knows. So listen for a rustle in the leaves. There's a little squirrel. There's that chicken again. Maybe you'll find a leaf man waiting to go home with you. There he is, peeking out again. And there's some different kinds of leaves that the author and illustrator used to make the illustrations here. So, the challenge to you, as an extension activity, you could go outside, find things in nature like leaves that have fallen down, or little acorns that have fallen down, or pine cones, or little twigs and sticks, maybe even some dead grasses, and you can use nature to create artwork. So you could maybe create an animal, or leaf man, or leaf girl, and be just like the illustrator of this book. So, happy creating. If you do this extension activity, take a picture and send it in. I would love to see it. Adios.